this great big building. It's quite early, 6:30. Post door. This is the heaviest door in the world. Look at this. Ugh. Right then, bonjour from Marseille. I've got a day out today to La Seyne-sur-Mer, which is a town along the coast, along east. It's basically halfway between here and Saint-Tropez, thereabouts. And it's got murals. It's got a lot of big ass murals, so of course I've got to go and check it out. Capturing early morning Marseille here. Here, France's second city. It is, you know, again, it's like Naples. It's got this, I think, outdated view that people have that, oh, it's rough and it's, you know, violent, and I've not seen any of that. I mean, if you know, everywhere's got dodgy places, so you know, avoid those places and you'll be all right. Just going to bounce up these steps. Maybe not bounce. So just in regards to my ticket to La Seyne-sur-Mer, I booked it only yesterday on Trainline rather than SNCF Connect, because I find that Trainline is just easier to search for trains than SNCF. There's more things you've got to put in, drop downs for SNCF. €15 each way, so a €30 round trip. They're doing away with paper tickets. Certainly the Paris Metro, they're phasing them out this year. So I assume it's going to be the same for virtually everywhere. No more paper tickets, less talky, more walky. Right, we're on the Toulon train, which has just come up as platform C. Toulon is just to the east of La Seyne-sur-Mer. We actually stop at La Seyne-sur-Mer. That's the train station for La Seyne-sur-Mer. Anyway, C is here. It's a double decker. We got a double decker. Well, it lets me through, so yay. I want to go up, not get on the first one. Right train. Always very wary about getting on the wrong train. Plenty of seats. Let's sit here. So there are 8 stops between here and the Seyne-sur-Mer. Getting in at 7:59. So just remember, I've got to be back here. The train is at 4:30 this afternoon, okay, back to Marseille. Remember that, please. I don't think that's street art, I think that's an accident. There's a paint pot on the roof of a car. Look at that. So I'm going to do my usual, move the bin. So I'll move the door. It's alright, I'll put it back. Somebody's back garden by the looks of it. It is in somebody's back garden. They need to do a bit of de-weeding though. It's everywhere, these murals, and they're impressively large. I mean, my train goes at R4. Whether I make it, I don't know. Tell you what, I'm gonna know the streets of this town like the back of my hand. I mean, almost wherever you look, there is mural and then another mural, another mural. There must be iterations of festivals maybe that go on in this town, and I'm hitting them all at once. Yeah, I'll just walk down the middle of the road. It's not much of a pavement, as you can see. Nice coloured houses down there. Got to take a picture of this street. Nice pretty colours of the buildings. Probably not done intentionally, or maybe it is. In the style of Lego. Toucan. I thought there'd be more up here, more Lego artwork, courtesy of Lens. Massive mural there. BK Mafia. I can barely get it in shot. Somehow I knew there was going to be something on the other side of the building. Ay, ay, ay. Seagull, and we've got another end of house here. Looks like an elephant. Do you like their big plant pots? There's a line in them outside the hotel in Paris. Ay, ay, ay. Onwards. Brightness. Another big mural for the Seyne-sur-Mer. Bit of ice cream going on in that one. We are kind of leaving what I would call central Seyne-sur-Mer. Seyne-sur-Mer. Come on, Gilbert, get it right. We're just wandering. I'd call this Central East because there is more murals dotted around this area. So we've got some older stuff here. I like the dog. I like that because the cat's got different colour eyes. So I did say the vast majority that I've seen, or the vast majority of murals within this town are relatively new, you know, 2, 3, 4 years old. This one, I think we are Central East, maybe where the older ones are. I mean, that's got 2016 there, so it's 9 years old. Still hanging on though. Shame it's, I mean, it's faded naturally, but I think when that was fresh, that would have been impressive. It's still impressive now, but not as eye-popping. Got more oldies faded there. Well, I think this is as far as east as I go. We'll go back into the centre. That would have been great when it was fresh. And we got a cactus.